Namaste children, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn chapter 3 multiplication. So multiplying by 10, 100, 1000, then 200, 300 likewise, then 2000, 3000. Okay, then exercise number 2. Okay, now. So first heading multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. First one. So to multiply a number by 10, you put 1 0 to the right of this number. Okay. So take the examples. So 15 into 10. So 15 into 10. So is equal to 15. You write first, then you add 1 0 to the right of this number. Okay. Then so 25 into 10. First you should write 25. Then you add 1 0 to the right of this given number. Next 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So first we should write 100. Then we add 1 0 to the right side of this given number. Okay. Then next 493 into 10. So 493 you should write first. Then you add 1 0 to the right side of this given number. Okay children, are you clear? Okay. Then next, to multiply a number by 100, put 2 zeros to the right of the number. Okay. Then see the example. So 45 into 100 is equal to 1. So first we should multiply by 1. Okay. So 45 ones are 45. Then next you add 2 zeros to the right of the given number. Okay. So multiply by 1. Any number multiplied by 1, the product remains itself. Okay. This is a third property. Okay. Now 783 into 100. First we should multiply by 1. So 783s are 783 into 100. Into 100 means you put 2 zeros. Add 2 zeros to the right of the given number. Okay children. Next, to multiply a number by 1000. To multiply a number by 1000, put dash zeros to the right of the given number. Say, anyone get up and say that. So how many zeros add to the right of the given number? Yes, 3 numbers. Okay. You put 3 zeros. You put 3 zeros to the right of the given number. Look, some example. So 57 into 1000. Okay, first we should multiply by 1. So 57 ones are 57. Then you put add 3 zeros to the right of the given number. That is 57,000. Okay, 57 ones are 57. You add 3 zeros to the right side of the given number. Okay, then next 682 into 1000. So 682 into 1. So any number multiplied by 1, the same number was given. Okay, 682 into 1s are 682. Then you add 3 zeros to the right side of the given number. Okay, then next. So multiply by 200, 300. Then going on 2000 and 3000 likewise. Okay, now by 200 you multiply by 2 and put 2 zeros to the right side of the given number. Okay. Then 17, example, 17 into 200, 17 into 200, 17 into 200 is equal to what? First we should multiply by 17 into 2, 17 into 2. So 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 4 write first. Then 1 is carry over. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus carry over number 1 is equal to 3. So 3. Okay. 34. So 17 2s are 34. You write 34 first. Then we should add 2 zeros to the right of the given. Okay. Then next. By 300. Yes, multiply by 3 and put first we put 2 zeros to the right side of the number. Okay. Then take one example. So 24 into 300. First we should multiply 24 into 3. So you do it in the right side column. Then 24 into 3. Okay. So 3 fours are 12. You should write 2 in the ones column. Then 1 is carry over. Then 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1 carry over number. Then 6 plus 1 7. Okay, 72. So the answer is 72. Then we put 2 zeros to the right side of the number. Okay, this is the answer. So 24 threes are 7200. So 24 threes are 72. Then we put add 2 zeros. Then what we read? Then 7200. Okay, children. Then go to the next exam. 55 into 300. So same like this. So 55 into 3. So we multiply. 3 5s are 15. You put 5 comes under ones column. Then 1 is carry over to the tens place. Then 3 5s are again 15 plus 1 carry over. Then is equal to 16. So 16 comes under tens column. Then answer is 165. First we should write 165. Then you add 2 zeros to the right side of the number. Okay. Then next by 2000. So multiply by 2 and put 3 zeros to the right side of the number. Okay. So take 2 example. First one is so 18 into 2. First to multiply 18 into 2. So 18 into 2. 2 8s are 16. So 6 comes under ones column. Then 1 is carry over. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then you put 3 comes under tens column. So 36. 36 write first. Then you put 3 zeros to the right side of the given number. Okay. Then next one 22 into 2. So 22 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. First 2 2s are 4. Then next 2 2s are 4. The answer is 44. Then 44 write first. Then you add 3 zeros to the right side. Okay. Then next by 5000. So multiply by what, ma? Multiply by 5. So multiply by 5 and put how many zeros? How many zeros? 3 zeros. How many zeros, ma? 3 zeros to the right side. Take example 13 into 5000. First we should multiply 13 into 5. Okay, mama? Yes. Now say 5 tables. 5 3s are 15. 15. 5 comes under ones column. Then 1 is carry over. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 1 6. So 6 comes under tens column. So answer is 65. Then you put 3 zeros. You put 3 zeros to the right side. Okay. Then next example 35 into 5. So 35 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. So 5 comes under ones column. Then 2 is carry over to the tens column. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay. Then you write 17. 7 comes under tens column. 1 is comes under 100 columns. So the answer is 175. So write 175. Then you put 3 zeros to the right side. Come to exercise number 2. Multiply. So 255 into 10. First we should multiply 25 ones are. So 255 ones are 255. Then you add 1 0 to the right side. Okay. Then 125 into 1. So 125 ones are 125. You put 2 zeros to the right side. Again 305. So 305 into 20. First we should multiply by 2. So 2 5s are, first we should multiply 2 5s are 10. Then we put 0. Then 1 is carried over to the tens column. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. Then 2 3s are 6. So 610. Then you put 1 0 to the right. Then 115 into 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. 15 to 5. 1 is carried over to the tens column. Then 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. 4 comes under tens column. Then 3 ones are 3. So 345. Then you put 2 0 to the right side. Okay. Then come to the next sum. So 22 ones are 22. Then you put 3 zeros to the right side. Okay. Then 12 into 6. So first we should multiply 6 2s are. 6 2s are 12. 12 to 2. Then 1 is carried over. So then 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 72. 12 6 are 72. Then you put 3 zeros to the right side. Okay. Then next 24 into 5. Then 5 4s are 20. 0. Then 2 is carrying over to the tens column. Then again 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Okay. Then you put 2 zeros to the right side. Okay. Then next 45 into 4. Then 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. You put 0. Then 2 is carried over to the tens column. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. Then you should write 18. So 45 into 4s are 180. Then you add 3 zeros to the right side. Okay, are you clear, children? Then, thank you, children. We will meet the next class.